Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well during this quarantine. In today's look, I'm going to give you guys a springtime cut crease type of vibe or whatever. So let's get this started. I'm going to start with the Fenty Concealer in 350 to prime my eyes. And as you guys can see, I'm just dabbing that on in the middle and just working my way up. So you guys, as I was doing my makeup, I got interrupted by a certain someone, and you will get to hear them in 3, 2, 1. Hello.
Hi.
Hey.
What are you doing?
Recording.
Are you doing makeup?
Yeah.
Is this for a video?
Yeah.
Are you filming right now?
I am.
I'm gonna be in your video.
Probably. That's my friend Kendall, you guys. Shout out to her. So as we're talking on the phone, I'm just carving out my eyebrows with the Fenty Concealer while also priming it as well. Then I'm going to use my concealer blending brush just to basically buff that in my eyes so everything could be smooth as possible. Then I'm going to start off with the color Edges from the Jackie Aina palette, and I'm going to put that in my crease. Just basically use it as a transition color. And this is such a warm and beautiful, like, sand type of color, you know. It gives me straight island teens, straight vibes, you feel me? And I'm just gonna continue packing that on while blending it out. That's my dog snoring if you guys hear him. I'm just checking it out to see if everything's blended in. So the next thing I'm going to use is the color Credit, and I'm going to use my dense blending brush to top that over the edges color, just to deepen it up a little bit. Continue blending that out. And this color was a little bit difficult to blend out. I don't know because the color is super rich, but it kind of just it's kind of difficult. Then I'm gonna use this other like fluffier blending brush I got from the Anastasia palette, and basically pack that on just to deepen the color a little bit. While also defining my crease a little bit more. Then I'm going to go in with the Maybelline concealer, and I'm going to use that to basically cut my crease. And I'm going to pack it in the middle while working my way up. You guys, this is my first time doing this, so it was kind of hard, you know. I was trying to be careful. I didn't want to do too much. I didn't want to redo my whole eye look because I know how that can be, so please bear with me. And then on top of that, I'm on the phone gossiping with my friend. Man, I'm just working my way up in the middle, and then I'm gonna create a shape similar to my eye to cut the crease. And also, you guys, I'm tilting my head back because I need to see like a full scope of my eye shape. I didn't want to overdraw it with the concealer. I'm just packing that on the outer corner of my eyes. You gotta do this little by little, you guys. I'm pretty sure if I keep practicing it, I'll be, you know, an expert, quote unquote. But, you know, it's my first time and I wanted to do it as precisely as I could. Yeah, you guys, most of my looks are pretty beginner friendly. I wanted to create a space where me and my viewers basically grow with each other, you know. I wanted to create a space where it's okay to be amateur at things. I know with so many trends and so many, you know, things going around the beauty community that it becomes overwhelming for people like, you know, me and like other people. And I just wanted to say that it's okay to just stay in your lane, you know what I'm saying? Like, you don't have to be an expert at everything, you know. As long as you try your hardest and it's tapped in within your creativity, then I feel like it's okay. So I'm going to go back in with my concealer brush and just basically blend that out. And then I'm going to go in with that same fluffy brush and I'm just going to basically make the edges around my cut crease a little bit softer. Then I'm going to use a Stila liquid eyeshadow in Grace. And basically I'm going to use a very fine tip brush and basically outline my cut crease. And remember guys, tilt your head up so you can just see the full scope of your eye, you know. And then I'm going to work my way in my inner corner while also dragging it out towards the end of my outer corner. And it's a nice like rose gold type of shade. And it's very blendable too. I'm just going to keep packing that on just to intensify it. And I'm just making sure everything's symmetrical. Then to top that off, I'm going to use the Stila liquid eyeshadow in Ballet Baby. It's like a baby pink iridescent glittery type of shade. I think the Grace shade is like more of a satin type of finish. This has very like a lot of specks of glitter in it. So I just wanted to use that just to basically kind of highlight the area a little bit. Make it a little bit more noticeable. But you don't have to do this step though. I was kind of better off with the gray shade because with the Ballet Baby it's pretty hard to spread since it's so like thick specks of glitter in it. And I was trying so hard to make it, you know, stay put and like kind of flatten it a little bit. I didn't want it to look super clumpy. And y'all already know I got this from TJ Maxx for the low. So as soon as this quarantine is over, I'm about to be the first person to post it, okay? And I'm just fanning this because I don't want this to transfer. And then I'm going to go back in with the Jackie Aina palette and use the color Lituation in my outer corner and the corner as well. And I'm using like this flat blending brush to pack it on while also spreading it out. I gotta learn makeup terminology, you guys, because I just feel like I'm gonna be sounding so basic, but it is what it is. You see the visuals. You see the visuals. And this color is like a cool tone, like chrome shade, but it's like the base of it is kind of like brownish or whatever. So it looks really cool in the eye, you know. And I'm just blending and blending, you guys. The key to this is just to blend. I know it's tedious, but you gotta do it. You just gotta do it. You gotta suck it up and do it, okay? Then I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt shade in Diamond Ball Out. It's like this silver shade. And I'm going to pack that on with my finger. I feel like when I put it on with my finger, it kind of warms the shade up a little bit. It makes it a little bit more blendable. If you guys can hear my dog, please excuse him. But then I'm just gonna use this this brush by Anastasia. I'm using the flat side, just blending in like the outer corners of it, so everything could be very concise. And then I'm skipping my foundation, well, really my tinted moisturizer, and I'm just going in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm going to use that as foundation. My skin has been acting up a little bit, so I don't want to put too many products on my face, so yeah. And I'm just going to blend that out. Pack a little bit more on. It just seems like I'm getting tanner and tanner, and I don't understand why, because it's kind of cold in Chicago, so I just don't know if that's just my skin telling me something that I need to know, but I just feel like I'm getting darker and darker, which I love, you know. Then to highlight, I'm going to use the Fenty concealers in 345 and 350. I'm putting on 345 first, which is like the warmer shade, and then 350, which is a little bit cooler, a little bit pink, as you guys can see. And I'm just going to blend that out. I told you guys for my last video, this is my new highlighting routine, so yeah, this was going to be, okay? And then to blend out the edges a little bit, I'm going to use my foundation brush to make sure everything is blended well. Then I'm going to set that with the Fenty Powder and Honey, the setting powder and honey. I'm trying to see what other powder I can use for this, because I just want like more of a highlighted type of look. Like, I love this powder, don't get me wrong, and I always, you know, rave about it, but I just want something that's going to give me that, like, I don't know, like that poreless type of look. And I feel like this shade is more so for foundation than like highlighted with concealer. So I'm just trying to see, I'm trying to dig up something that I can, you know, concoct and, you know, give you guys. So watch out for that. Stay tuned, okay? Then I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs gel crayon pencil, I believe, in the color Cocoa. I'm going to put that in my waterline and also my lower lash line. You already know I got the TJ Maxx too. It's a TJ Maxx, you know, TJ Maxx tutorial, okay? Then I'm going to go back with the Lituation color and use like this smudger brush and just smudge that out. Then to highlight my inner corner, I'm going to use the color Trust Issues, which is like this white gold type of shade. Just highlight it for like a little, you know, pop of color, you know. I just want to look, you know, awakened or whatever, refreshed. So then I'm going to use the Coco Naughty bronzer and put that on my face as well, just to, you know, give me that nice, you know, glow and just warmth. I have the Fenty bronzer shade in Caramel Cutie as well. It's a little bit lighter and more natural, so I'll be showing that too. So just stay tuned, y'all. Just stay tuned, okay? And I'm just gonna blend that down to my neck. And then I'm gonna wipe away this extra setting powder I have. Dust that off. And then I'm going to use Amber Ring Rose by MAC as a blush. It's one of my favorite blushes. The one on top is called Peaches, which is very similar. It's just a shade lighter. I kind of go back and forth with these two. And then I'm going to highlight with Golden Bronze by Bobbi Brown. Look how beautiful that is. And it's super, super natural as well. Gives me a nice sheen. Then I'm going to top that off with Space Powder by Urban Decay, which is like this yellow gold type of highlighter. I'm really going to pack that on my nose. Then spray my face with some Fix Plus, you guys. Then I'm going to use the Kiss Lashes in number 1. And I'm back at it. Then I'm going to line my lips with, of course, the lip shade in Straight Up by Lip Bar, my favorite lip liner. Then I'm going to use the lip crayon by Beauty in Glacé. And it's like this mauve type of shade. It's very, very pretty. You can leave it like this if you want, but I love a glossy lip. So, yeah. So this is very, 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 very subtle. Then to top it off, I'm going to use the Buxom lip shade in Mariah. And look how look how stunning that is. I'm just going to top that off, you know, to give me them kissable lips, you feel me? And mwah. And that is the finished look, you guys. I'm so happy with the outcome. My first time doing a cut crease. You know, it's very soft and subtle, very beginner friendly, but it's still, you know, very, 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 very extravagant. And I want to say, you guys, thank you so much. Love you guys. Hit that like and subscribe button as well. Stay safe and bye-bye.